In this problem, we are given the domain and range, and we are asked to select which transformations could map the preimage onto the final image. So I've put our choices as A, B, C, and D. Let's look at choice A, reflect over the line y equals negative x. Our function rule is f of xy equals opposite of y, opposite of x. If I look at A and apply this rule to -7, -3, that becomes 3, 7, so that works. B is at -4, -6, that maps to B prime at 6, 4, so that works. And C is at -13, -6, and this maps to C prime at 6, 13. So choice A is a possible transformation. Let's take a look at choice B. Rotate 180 degrees. That is f of xy equals opposite of x, opposite of y. Then, after we've done that rotation, we're going to translate left 4 and up 4. So then we'll apply the rule x minus 4, y plus 4. So let's apply the rules in this order. Let's look at point A, which is at -7, -3. This would map to 7, 3 when we apply the rule opposite of x, opposite of y. Then if we apply the rule of x minus 4, that would be 7 minus 4 is 3. Y plus 4 would be 3 plus 4 is 7. So it appears as though this rule works for A. Let's check it for B. B is at -4, -6. Apply the 180 rotation, so that would be 4, 6. Apply the translation. So that is 4 minus 4 would be 0. 6 plus 4 would be 10. This does not work for point B. So B does not work as one of our transformation options. Let's look at choice C. Rotate 180 degrees and then reflect over y equals x. So building off of what we just did in choice B, we have our rule f of xy equals opposite of x, opposite of y. And then we're going to reflect over y equals x, which is f of xy equals yx. So let's take a look at A. A was at -7, -3. Applying our 180 rule, we've already done that, and that got 7, 3. Then if we apply the reflection over y equals x, that maps to 3, 7, which that does work. So now let's take a look at B. B is at -4, -6. We know that opposite of x, opposite of y makes 4, 6. Now let's apply that next reflection. So that would be 6, 4, which does work. Now let's take a look at C. C is at -13, -6. This will map to C prime at opposite of x, opposite of y is 13, 6. And then C double prime, when I apply my reflection, would be 6, 13. So C does work. All right, let's take a look at our last choice. D, reflect over y equals x. So that's the function rule f of xy equals yx. And then we're going to reflect over y equals -x. So f of xy equals opposite of y, opposite of x. Let's do this for A. So -7, -3 would map to -3, -7. And then if we apply our second reflection, opposite of y would be 7, opposite of x would be 3. So you can see that this doesn't work for A. So choice D does not work. So reflect over the line y equals -x, or rotate 180 about the origin, followed by reflection over y equals x are the possible transformations for this problem.